So you just had some gum infection therapy, SRP, or most people call it a deep cleaning. What can you expect? Well, you can expect probably some discomfort. And you have to realize basically we removed a lot of a layer that was built, bacteria and plaque that was built on your teeth over a period of time. And so they're going to be a little bit more exposed, a little bit more sensitivity, if you will. May have prolonged bleeding, but that's natural because the gums are inflamed, and that's what we're trying to battle and remove all the stuff that's causing it, and you'll see the gums will actually heal a lot quicker. Nutrition, make sure you drink a lot of water, stay away from any alcohol, any salty type of foods. The gums will heal, they definitely heal, so you would expect them to turn a little bit more pink in color and begin to look less swollen and be tighter with everything. Soft food diet, don't do anything too crazy there. So just know that warm salt water rinses will also kind of help heal the process as well. So just know everything will start feeling better and heal. It is a surgery. We did manipulate some gum tissue and tooth structure. So yeah, you do that, stay away from smoking, brush really well, do all the hygiene care that we explained to you in the office, and you're gonna feel really good, really, really good here shortly.